repairing the frame on this. A little rough. A little bit of welding. It welds terribly because of how nasty this frame is. And one of the frames. Let's run over to Mike's and see what this G body looks like. I haven't checked on it in a couple of days. I know they've been busy working on it. What up? Very holy. Let's see. Ooh. They've already got the floor pans working. Not too bad. Let's see what the firewall looks like. Sweet. We finished up our part of the chassis for the time being. Got it notched, both sides. Got all the body mounts fixed. Now it's heading to powder coat. Trying to get it down there today if I can. Let's walk next door and see what Mike's got going on with the floor.
Also included a replica of Ralphie hugging the lamp wearing his Bugs Bunny suit. Oh, I want to see this. Is it cute or oh wow?
New pans, undercoated.
Isn't it sweet? Oh, yeah.
It isn't a good beginning. Start your future together with the finest natural diamonds for a creation.